Brilliant stuff. Now, we've got another adaptation here.
Yep.
Now, I've lived in Australia, and where they take sun protection really, really serious out there.
Yep.
Now, I'm used to seeing this with corks dangling to protect
okay.
you from flies, but
Yeah.
this is just attached really simply, isn't it?
Yes, so we talk about accessories, and these are accessories that come from, let's say, a protection standpoint. Things flying around, you don't want them to hit your face, so that is kind of what we call the protection from the EN 16321 standard. But of course, we have different weather circumstances. So we are in Blackpool as we speak.
Yeah.
You told about a storm coming in,
Yes.
and I'm going to talk to you about what we call a sombrero. So what is a sombrero? It's actually a very, very nice add-on. You can, put under these little clips, and that will allow you from not having the sun in your face when you're like standing up, whatever you are outside, goes for sun protection.